Refersion Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Refersion and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Let's get straight to the review. Refersion is a robust affiliate marketing platform that helps businesses manage their affiliate programs while giving affiliates access to a wide range of offers to promote. It is designed for both small businesses and large enterprises, making it versatile and scalable. Whether you're a new affiliate marketer or an experienced one, Refersion provides the tools necessary to run effective campaigns, track performance, and optimize results. Features. Refersion offers an easy-to-use platform with powerful tracking and reporting tools. Affiliates can promote products from a variety of merchants across niches such as e-commerce, health, beauty, and more. The platform supports commission models like CPA, CPS, and CPL, allowing affiliates to choose how they earn. Refersion's real-time analytics enable affiliates to track clicks, conversions, and commissions efficiently, which is essential for optimizing campaigns. Additionally, the platform offers seamless integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it easy for merchants to set up and manage their affiliate programs. The payment structure is also straightforward, with multiple payment methods including PayPal and direct deposit, and a low minimum payout threshold. Strengths. Refersion's biggest strength lies in its simplicity and scalability. The platform is easy to navigate, even for beginners, and provides all the essential tools needed to track and manage affiliate campaigns. Refersion's integration with major e-commerce platforms is a huge advantage, especially for online stores looking to set up an affiliate program quickly. The real-time reporting is detailed and accurate, allowing affiliates to make data-driven decisions and optimize their strategies. With its flexible commission models and reliable payment options, Refersion is a great choice for affiliates at all levels. Weaknesses. On the flip side, Refersion can be a bit limited in terms of product variety compared to larger networks. It focuses heavily on e-commerce and may not be the best option for affiliates in other niches. While the platform is user-friendly, some advanced features or customizations might be lacking for top-tier marketers who need more in-depth tools. Additionally, the competition within the e-commerce space can be intense, making it harder for new affiliates to stand out in saturated markets. Final verdict. Refersion is an excellent choice for affiliates and businesses looking to promote e-commerce products or set up an affiliate program with ease. With its simple interface, solid tracking tools, and strong integrations with popular platforms, it's a great option for both beginners and experienced marketers. However, if you're looking for a broader range of offers outside of e-commerce, or if you need more advanced features, you might want to explore other networks. Check the links in the description to get started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate network reviews.